The Super Systems team is actively engaged in the AMS2750F updates. We reviewed the document that was released in June and have been anticipating a number of items that most certainly will affect the heat treating community. As a controls and data acquisition supplier, we make it our business to stay up to date. Therefore, we would like to address two specific areas. First, decimal point data logging. Section 3.2.3.2 states that digital recording instruments shall have a minimum readability of 0.1F or 0.1C within 2 years of AMS2750F. This seems to be the item that has raised the most questions. We capture hundreds of thousands of pieces of data daily at heat treaters across the globe. We recognize that some modifications may be required to your SSI controls or software. We are equipping our sales channels with the tools to determine what updates are necessary. For customers not currently data logging to the 10th of a degree, most SSI instruments and software can be brought into compliance with the forthcoming updates. However, some legacy controls have hardware component restraints that make updates impossible. These will require replacement. The Super Data SCADA package supports decimal point data logging. And if you are not doing the data logging now, some modifications to the system may be required. Our team is prepared to address your questions and help develop a plan meeting this AMS2750F specification. Second, digital timing. Section 3.2.3.19 states that the timing function for all digital recording instruments and data acquisition systems shall be calibrated annually and shall be accurate to plus or minus 1 minute per hour. There is an alternative to using a manual process for this timing. The specification says a documented digital synchronization of timing systems to the NIST for international equivalent via satellite, internet, or telephonic systems periodically, or at least monthly, to support the plus or minus 1 minute per hour accuracy is acceptable. This can easily be addressed using current computer networking or operating systems in place. An automated process will certainly be the way to go and should only require a few steps to achieve synchronization. We look forward to assisting your company to comply with the AMS2750F. Please contact us with questions or to set up a meeting to discuss your facility's requirements. Thank you.